Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah, and today I am here to show you guys the Osburn 3500 wood stove. Now the 3500 model is going to be the largest model in the Osburn wood stove line. So this model will heat like 2,700 square feet, possibly up to 3,000 square feet, depending on how well insulated your home is and what type of climate you're in. I like this model because it does have that nice kind of shiny glass finish on the ash lip, so as things fall out the front of the stove, it makes it super easy to wipe it off and keep it clean. This is going to be shown in all black with the pedestal base. The ash pan is located right here in the center of the pedestal. You have a nice big glass viewing area on the front door. Inside the firebox door, you can see it is fully gasketed. Standard size fire brick as common in all Osburn wood stoves. Also, you do have the reburn tubes and the baffle system located at the top of the stove. This model is going to be a 6-inch top vent flue, mostly flat top. You do have a slight little step up at the very rear of the stove, which creates a nice convection airflow off the top of the stove. So that's really going to help to push the heat out with any type of blower system. All of the Osburn wood stoves you can add a blower to if you choose, but they are not required. So all of their wood stoves will operate without any electricity. Again, shown in black, this could be ordered with the nickel door as well. So this is the Osburn 3500 wood stove, which is EPA 2020 approved, but does not meet the 26% tax credit requirement. So if you guys like this video, don't forget, give it a thumbs up, click subscribe in the corner of the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.